enchanted house. I am a believer in what's called the enchanted lifestyle, which is trying to make your life magical, whether it be through, aesthetic, or going on great adventures, or doing immersive experiences, having fun roleplay and cosplay adventures, or just living your best life. The idea of having an enchanted life is trying to make your life magical, because we have to deal with a lot of crap in our life, and to have places to go that are safe, that make you feel good, that bring some of the magic back into your life and help you recharge, is how you have an enchanted life. It does focus on sort of more magical, more fanciful things, like fairies, or steampunk, or witches, or dark academia. There's this idea of, cooking things that are fanciful, and having tea parties, and doing fun things, and that's what an enchanted life is. The reason it's called This Enchanted House is because it's my enchanted house. This is how I do it. And I want to talk about things like aesthetics, and I want to talk about things like decor, and fashion, and go on adventures, and fun things, and books, and all the things that I love that make my life enchanted, and share them with you, and hopefully provide you with inspiration and instruction on how to make your life enchanted too. So what do we do at This Enchanted House? We find the beauty in everything. We make our homes beautiful. We find strange and unusual things that make us happy. We love books, and we delve into them. We love to cook and make wonderful food. We love to dress up, because we know that everyone's beautiful, and when you wear things that you find beautiful, it makes you beautiful, and it lets that inner beauty that you have shine out. And we go on adventures. We experience new things, and we have lots of fun doing it. And I hope you guys can enjoy me here at this enchanted house, and I hope you guys have an enchanted day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!